Today we cover the search how to buy shares of ANGI Homeservices Inc. and walk through the practical steps. ANGI Homeservices Inc. links homeowners to local service professionals, trades on NASDAQ under the ticker ANGI, and this is an educational walkthrough, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as the example platform to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker ANGI to find the company listing. Choose the result that clearly matches ANGI Homeservices Inc. to ensure you have located the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company summary and inspect the price chart for recent movements. Confirm the listing shows ANGI Homeservices Inc. and the ANGI ticker, so you are on the correct page. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed when the market opens. And if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the trade completes. Once the trade executes, your ANGI position will appear in your portfolio. Check the video description for the eToro link if you want to follow the same steps.